Hello everyone. Welcome to KMIT Solutions Services. My name is Raman. In last lecture, we have faced one issue that Java 11 is installed, but our code is in Java 21. So in that case, we need to remove Java 11 and we need to install Java 21. S- Also, I want to uninstall Maven so that I can have the latest version of Maven. So to do that, what I will do, I will just uninstall Maven first. So I will say apt purge and Maven. So it will uninstall Maven. Maven is uninstalled. We can double check. We can say mvn hyphen hyphen version. So you can see Maven is not found now. Now, if I say Java hyphen hyphen version, so you can see Java 11 is installed. Now, with this command, which is apt remove purge open jdk and jre, so it will delete the files. So now open jdk and jre is installed, uninstalled, and now we need to run this command apt auto remove to remove uh, some packages which are automatically installed but not required. So we run apt auto remove command and I'll say yes, uninstalled. Okay. Now Java is uninstalled also. If I say Java hyphen hyphen version, so you can see there is no such file or directory. Now, first we will install Java 21. So I will say apt install openjdk 21 jdk. Okay, so this command will install version 21 of Java. So it will take a little bit time to install and it is already in progress. Yeah, so now Java is installed. We just double check Java hyphen hyphen version. Okay. You can install the latest version of Maven by going to Maven website. Um, I think which is not required at this moment because our microservices can be compiled or create the jar or war files by using this version of Maven. Let us try with this. If it does not work, then we will install the latest version. See, Maven is mostly used by the development team. So we, as a DevOps engineer, we are helping to compile the code or creating the executable files. So let us see with this, is there any problem to create the war file or the target folder? So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to install Maven. So there is a one assignment which I can give it to you that this thing I'm doing manually. But if you are using Vagrant file, I would suggest that modify your Vagrant file, install Java 21 first and then Maven. Okay. So that task you can try it by yourself. If you face any issue, you can ask me in the comments. Now, Maven is installed. If I say Maven hyphen hyphen version, So you can see Maven 3.6.3 is installed and Java 21 is installed. Now, what I will do next, I will try to compile this code. So I will say mvn clean package command. So it will take my customer care microservice code and it will compile the code. And after compilation, it will create the target folder. Under target folder, we will have our war file, right? So that I have already discussed when I have shown the development part of our source code. Okay. So at this moment, there is no error in testing. So we just need to wait little bit time because this will create a war file. Yes, now it is completed. Now, if you see here, if I run ls command, so you can see that there is a target directory automatically get created. It was not there earlier. Now, if I say ls target, so you can see that there is a war file get created. So we need this war file, and is this war file is the one which is having the execution code for my customer care service, which I need to deploy it on Tomcat server. But in our case, we will use Tomcat container. I hope you understand the purpose of this build server. If you have any questions related to this, you can ask in the comment. Same way, we can compile our code for different microservices like deposit, withdraw, or internet banking, which is required for our banking application. At this moment, I'm just removing this target directory by using mvn clean command. So mvn clean command deletes the target directory. Now, if I say ls, so you can see target directory is removed. So now we will see our next step, that how to create our Docker virtual machine. Thank you very much for watching and see you in next lecture.